Today I'm going to show you how to make focaccia bread. Focaccia bread is an ancient Mediterranean flatbread born in the hearts of Roman kitchens that evolved during the centuries into the most beloved bread. Let's make focaccia.
To start, we need 500 grams of flour, 400 grams of warm water, 8 grams of dry yeast, 8 grams of salt, 30 grams of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey. Dissolve the yeast, salt, and honey in warm water, stirring until fully combined. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Let it rest in a warm spot of your kitchen until it becomes foamy. After 30 to 40 minutes, the yeast will become active, and you'll notice bubbles forming on the surface. Go ahead and pour the yeast mixture and olive oil into the flour, then give it a good mix until everything comes together nicely. You should know that focaccia dough is supposed to be wet and sticky. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and place it in a warm spot in your kitchen. For better results, drape a kitchen towel over the bowl to keep it extra warm. After about 30 minutes, uncover the dough so you can stretch and fold it gently for a few times. Cover the dough again and place it back in a warm spot to keep rising. After 30 minutes, you'll see the dough has doubled the size. Uncover it and gently stretch and fold. Repeat this process a total of 4 times for the best texture and forming bubbles. Take a 9 by 12 baking tray and generously coat it with olive oil, making sure to cover the entire surface and corners. Carefully transfer the dough from the bowl into the well-oiled baking tray. Lightly oil your hands, then gently stretch the dough to fit into baking tray, easing it into shape. Drizzle some olive oil over the top of the dough, then cover it with plastic wrap. The oil will prevent the plastic from sticking when you remove it. Place the dough in warm place for about 30 or 40 minutes. Feel free to choose any topping you like. I've selected a combination of black and green olives, roasted garlic, caramelized onion, cherry tomatoes, rosemary, a sprinkle of black pepper, and pinch of kosher salt. Remove the dough from warm area, take off the plastic wrap. Lightly oil your fingers and gently press dimples into the surface of the dough. Begin arranging your topping on the dough, placing them gently to avoid deflating it. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and place the baking tray on the middle rack. Bake the bread for 25 minutes or until golden brown. After 25 minutes, your focaccia is beautifully baked and ready to enjoy. While it may be tempting to cut into it immediately, allow it to cool slightly before slicing and enjoying it. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when I share a new dish.